In this video, I will show you how to turn Dr. Tony Nader's book into an evergreen lead machine. First things first is you want to include a lead magnet. A lead magnet is a PDF that accompanies the book. I read the book and it was amazing, and I also listened to the audiobook version, and I was astonished that it only has 18 reviews. So let me help with this because I think the entire TM community can benefit from this, and more people will come and initiate into TM. How to do it? So the first things first is to give a free lead magnet PDF accompanying the book. So when you get an ebook, there is a in the ebook you can say this book comes with a free PDF downloadable in this specific URL, and therefore by buying this book, you can download it for free. Therefore, you build your email list, and later you can run campaigns to turn them into TM practitioners, not just build your authority and likability, but also turn them into buyers. So what a lead magnet does for us and why it is crucial in our marketing. First of all, it increases satisfaction because someone for a purchase of a book, he receives a free lead magnet. That increases the likelihood that it will be implemented, not just read. And the second one is it increases the likelihood that someone leaves a review. And the third one is, most importantly, it helps us to build our email list, the only digital asset we have in our business. So every online channel can come and go. For example, MySpace is a perfect example. Even YouTube, even Audible can go and Kindle, but the email list is the only digital asset. So the next concept I want to introduce you is the review getting system, and let me explain how does it work. So any platform, book platform, is ranking our book based on the reviews we get. So it ranks better if our book is highly likely to buy by lookalike audience. So it means that we want to utilize this feature, and those who already buy others book in the same market or similar market, so like Eckhart Tolle books or Dr. Joe Dispenza books, they will see our books if it has higher review count. So in this case, our main mission is to increase the review count here. Why? Because in this case, our book will be shown for everyone who likes to buy spiritual meditation books. So in this case, Audible and Kindle and Amazon will do the job for us, and they will show our book in this list, and it gets higher ranking based on the amount of reviews we get. So I crafted a copy example for you, and let me show you how it works.